Samsung washing machine have a problem. Water is not coming. Looks at water is not coming. Have a problem. Must be diagnostic dismantle and diagnose a problem. So water is not coming. So water solenoid pump is not working. Power is coming. It's not working. Diagnostic. So PCB is good. So solenoid water is not good. Must be changed. Okay. Water solenoid pump. The washing machine. Samsung 11 kilo must be changed. Solenoid water replacement. Yes. This is my digital meter AI auto system. Okay. The reparation will be done after 30 minutes. I replace the pot. The solenoid water is on testing. Is the solenoid is working? Is not working? It's working very good. It's on test. Okay, it's working. Now water is coming. The water is coming. Very good. Well. Okay. Change and water code change. Check 2 minutes. Washing machine repairing done. Water is coming. Very well maintained. And guaranteed too. Repairing done at Mauritius Peribia. Wah, beba. Lagi siapa bah? Weh, dulu bang tu. Tang. Là, il y a un petit délai sur là. Mettre de fouille, déjà, tu délai, continue, tu l'es pas bon. Viens, regardez. Tang. Arrête, tu vas arrêter un petit peu, regardez.
Oui.
Regardez là. C'est la pompe, non?
Oui.
Coupez là. Tu vois? Il fait couper?
Oui.
Remets du start. Ok? Bien bon?